The NRS Rush? The Aqua-Bound Malta? Or Abahub Carbon? Perhaps the Werner Vibe or the THURSO Surf? Which one should you buy? In this video, we'll be looking at the top 5 stand-up paddles available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best stand-up paddles. The 5th product on this list is the Abahub Carbon Stand-Up Paddle. Looking for an exceptional paddle that combines durability, flexibility, and affordability? Look no further than the Abahub Carbon SUP paddle, perfect for beginner to intermediate paddlers. Its fiberglass and polypropylene blade construction and carbon composite shaft ensures a lightweight yet sturdy design, while the 91 square inch double concave blade design provides more stability and power, reducing flutter and increasing your confidence on the water. With an ergonomic patterned PP handle grip that offers comfort and traction for your hand, you can paddle for hours without discomfort. Plus, the paddle's lightweight design makes it easy to transport and maneuver, and it even floats in all waters. Assembly is a breeze with its adjustable length, which can be changed from 67 inches to 86 inches. The paddle also comes with a free travel bag for convenient storage and transportation, allowing you to take it with you wherever you go. And with over 10 years of experience in the industry, this paddle comes directly from manufacturers who prioritize quality and cost control to offer you the best price in its product range. Still not convinced? No worries. The paddle comes with an exceptional no-question-asked warranty, allowing you to get a replacement or refund if you're not satisfied with the product. Just be sure to check and tighten the screws on the clamps before using the paddle. Overall, the Abahub Carbon SUP paddle is an excellent investment for those seeking a high-performing, reliable, and affordable option that can take their paddling experience to the next level. Its pros are: it can be easily adjusted from 67 inches to 86 inches, making it suitable for paddlers of different heights. It has a double concave blade design that adds stability and power to the stroke while reducing the flutter of the paddle. And it can be easily broken down into 3 parts and stored in a carry bag for convenience. However, it has screws on the clamps that need to be checked and tightened before using. The Abahub Carbon Stand-Up Paddle is a durable, lightweight, and adjustable paddle that offers excellent performance for beginner to intermediate paddlers at an affordable price. Up next in 4th place is the THURSO Surf Carbon Hybrid Paddle. This next unit is a top-of-the-line paddle that enhances your stand-up paddleboarding experience with its superb performance and versatility. Its teardrop blade profile amplifies paddling power and efficiency. You will also find that the 10-degree dihedral shape directs water more effectively and prevents the blade from twisting or distorting during aggressive paddle strokes. Made with carbon fiber, it is incredibly lightweight, strong, stiff, and durable, ensuring optimal handling and speed on the water. What sets this paddle apart from others on the market is its convertible feature, allowing it to transform into a paddle quickly by replacing the grip with a second nylon blade. Its double lock installation system makes assembly effortless, and it can be adjusted from 71 inches to 87 inches to accommodate all paddlers' heights and skill levels. What's more, the THURSO is as functional as it is aesthetically pleasing. It is water floatable, making it easy to retrieve if dropped in the water. It offers an ideal combination of control, power, and stability for recreational, SUP, touring, and racing. Plus, with the THURSO Surf's 100% satisfaction guarantee, you can trust that you're investing in a high-quality product that will exceed your expectations. All in all, if you're looking for a versatile, lightweight, and durable paddle that enhances your paddleboarding experience, the THURSO Surf Carbon Hybrid SUP paddle is an excellent choice. Its pros are: it has a lightweight and durable carbon fiber construction for easy handling and speed. It can be converted from paddleboard to kayak use for ultimate water adventure. And it has adjustable paddle length to accommodate paddlers of all heights and skill levels. However, there's a bit too much flex in the upper handle. The THURSO Surf Carbon Hybrid Paddle is an excellent choice for paddlers who seek an incredibly versatile, lightweight, and durable paddle that delivers superb performance for all their water adventures, whether it's stand-up paddleboarding, kayaking, touring, or racing. Still haven't found a stand-up paddle that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Werner Vibe. Looking for a SUP paddle that's perfect for family road trips and diverse paddling styles? Look no further than the Werner Vibe. With its lightweight fiberglass shaft, T-grip design, and flexible lever lock feature, this paddle is perfect for anyone seeking versatility, durability, and adjustability. With more than 2 feet of adjustment available, the Werner Vibe paddle is perfect for families on the go. And with a 10-degree feather angle, you'll enjoy improved stroke efficiency and less fatigue. The rectangular blade design provides excellent cadence and power, while its unique placement on the shaft makes it more manageable for a variety of SUP activities. But that's not all. The Werner Vibe 100 is also easy to pack and transport thanks to its 3-piece design. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or an extended adventure, this paddle is sure to be a reliable and high-performing companion. So if you're looking for a versatile, durable, and high-performing SUP paddle that's perfect for a variety of paddling styles, look no further than the Werner Vibe 100 3-piece family travel adjustable paddle. Its pros are: it has an adjustable lever lock system that allows for easy adjustment for different paddler heights. It has a lightweight fiberglass shaft that reduces fatigue during long paddling sessions. And it has a T-grip handle design that provides comfortable and efficient grip. However, its fiberglass shaft may not be able to withstand the same kind of punishment as other materials like carbon fiber. The Werner Vibe is an excellent choice for families and casual paddlers looking for a versatile and easy-to-use paddle that is lightweight, adjustable, and comfortable to grip. The second product on this list is the NRS Rush. This next unit is an excellent option for those prioritizing power and versatility. With its aggressive blade design and shape, the Rush paddle is optimized for surfing and provides extra power with each stroke. One of the standout features of the Rush paddle is its lightweight and durable fiberglass construction, which can stand up to the wear and tear of river paddling. The highly adjustable size makes it an excellent option for families or multiple users with varying heights. However, the symmetrical teardrop blade shape and 7-degree offset may require more strength and precision than other options. Even so, the broad surface area along the bottom of the paddle catches a lot of water immediately, which allows for big scoops that propel you forward pretty effortlessly. Overall, the NRS Rush 3-piece adjustable fiberglass stand-up paddle is an excellent option for experienced paddlers who prioritize power and versatility. Its pros are: it is easy to pack, its 3-piece design makes it easy to store for on-the-go paddling adventures, it has an adjustable size that makes it versatile and able to fit a range of paddlers, and it has an aggressive blade design that allows for powerful strokes. However, it has a 7-degree offset that requires more strength and precision than other paddles. The NRS Rush is a great choice for more experienced paddlers looking for a lightweight and powerful paddle that's optimized for speed. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top stand-up paddle is the Aqua-Bound Malta. Looking for a paddle that offers both style and substance? Look no further than the Aqua-Bound Malta. This paddle is the perfect choice for paddlers who want a lightweight, high-performance option that looks great on the water. The Malta's compression-molded fiberglass blade and carbon fiber shaft and grip provide an exceptional paddling experience that is quick and effortless. With its optimized blade size and shape, the Malta is versatile enough to handle any water condition and paddling style, making it ideal for paddlers of all levels. The 100% carbon fiber handle of the Malta is ergonomically designed with a contoured palm grip for added comfort and security, even when wet. And with a range of colorful design options, this paddle is sure to match your personality and style. But the Malta isn't just about looks. It's also practical with a floating design that ensures you won't lose it in the water. While the higher price tag may be a consideration for some, the Malta's exceptional performance and stylish design make it worth the investment. Overall, for those looking for a lightweight, high-performing paddle that looks great on the water, the Aqua-Bound Malta is the clear choice. Its pros are: it is easy to handle, therefore reducing the energy needed to use it. Its optimized blade provides quick movements through the water. It has lightweight carbon fiber material in the shaft, and grip increases flexibility and further reduces weight. And it is available in a wide range of colors to suit your style. However, its 2-piece design isn't as conducive to being stored as others on this list. The Aqua-Bound Malta is an excellent choice for paddlers who value a lightweight and durable paddle that reduces energy consumption, enabling quick movements and longer paddling sessions. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.